can translate it when we get back.
bring it.
Okay. What?
That's so scary. Look at inside there.
Wait, I'm gonna film the
It's just graffiti.
wasp
No,
nest.
there's a sign. That's scary.
Oh, that is scary.
Yung mga tiles, oh, mga buo pa.
There aren't even people here.
No, the tiles is like new. Look at it. We did it! Climbing on the mountain! Ayun sila, oh, nanonood sila. Ayun. Ayun. Oh, ayun. Ayun ang aming inakyat. Pababa, papunta rito. Di ba ang layo? Ayun si daddy, oh, nanonood sa amin. Ayun sila, grandpa, and si nani. Nanonood sa amin. Ayun, ayun sila, ayun sila. Tapos inakyat namin yan papunta rito. Papunta dun sa bahay na abandon. Dito. Grabe yung aming adventure. Ang layo ng inakit namin. Ito yung bahay na abandon. Let's find some treasure. Kasama ko si Nettie tsaka si Alpi. Pagod. Naglan kami dito. Ayun sila Para kaming nasa Walking Dead. Tapos akit tayo dyan, labo. Sabi, wait.
Old toilet.
Ha?
Old toilet.
Really?
Yeah. Mommy, I just saw like a really big something.
It's just a fly.
Wasn't mine.
It's just a fly. Let's go
Mommy,
find.
it felt really big. I don't know.
Okay, let's go. Here. You wanna climb, Alfie? Ayan siya. Si Alfie.
I want to wee in it actually.
Ito yung old toilet daw. Parang ito yung ano lab. Ito yung parang bathroom.
Yeah.
Tapos ayun yung toilet.
I actually need to wee.
Tapos, go with there.
Yeah, I want to wee in the toilet. Yeah.
Old toilet. Come on,
You
Alfie.
can see the pipe under there.
There's no pipe. It goes straight down.
Ito, anong laman yan?
And I have my stick back.
Wait lang.
I don't know actually, because it's so caved in.
Is it?
There was a roof here, that's for sure.
Is it deep?
No, not really. But then again, dirt might have come in.
Oh,
But there
okay.
was a roof here because I could.
Oh, yeah.
Can you move a bit so I can go down?
Yeah. Okay, ito yung loob ng abandoned house. It's like falling apart. So you have to be careful down there. Maybe it fell down kasi para siyang mga bato. It's like a stone house, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a
Mami.
stone house.
Yeah, this is probably really old. Then.
Yeah?
Look.
Yeah. This. Sige. It's a stone house. And tingnan nyo. Oh, it's falling apart here. And down here. Oh, dahan-dahan lang. Baka mahulugan ka ng ano, ha?
There's the stairs. There's a room behind the stairs.
I think I'll start.
Get out now.
What the? That's. Oh my god.
No. Oh my god.
You see?
Oh my god. Oh!
Does it say lose Tom?
Laseta?
Yeah, take a picture of it.
I need to come back here in a good outfit, look scary, and then take a picture.
Oh my god. Picturean kita kayo dyan.
Okay.
Nakakatakot.
I'm more.
There used to be carpet here.
Okay, where's the
Mommy,
carpet?
This is carpet.
Mommy, I'm more scared of that wasp nest than the actual thing.
Don't poke it.
I would never.
There is a carpet here.
I don't know how to look scary. I don't know how to look aesthetic. I'm filming. I don't know how to look aesthetic.
Tuwan-tuwa nakakita nung nakakatakot. Ano nakakatakot? Baka mahulugan tayo niyan. Let's go.
That's what I'm saying. It's probably hundreds of years ago. They had these kind of-
Ayun na, so dangerous. Baka mahulog.
Probably. Cause I'm more. That's.
There was an upstairs. Mommy, through here is the stairs.
Where?
Look. Yeah, through here is the stairs.
Stay there, Alfie. Oh my god, we can go all the way at the top. Come on, Alfie, here.
You said to stay there for a bit.
Not here. What is in here? Wait, what is? Ito yung rooftop. Oh, scary. Daddy! Ayun. Asan na ba yun si Daddy? Ay, hindi ka na makita. Ayun. Ha?
That's Daddy.
I want to break it.
No, that's Grandpa.
Oh!
Take a picture of it.
This is more there.
Oh look, there's like I think this is like where they had the campfire. This is, or like where they cook stuff. Like that might be the smoker,
Oh, yeah.
and then that might be the
Oh, the
well.
well.
The well, yeah,
Maybe when we go down, we can go down there.
yeah.
Right?
There's something over there as well. I'm not sure what it is.
We can go down there, oh, tapos we look at the way.
And there's another thing over here.
Oh, where?
There.
Oh, here?
Yeah.
Phone number dito, si Bendy. Bende. Alam nyo guys, ang oras ngayon, o'clock PM. So, maaraw pa rin naman. Dumidilim siya ng mga 9:30, ganun. So, meron pa tayong 1 hour and a half bago dumilim. Bago kami makabalik doon sa malayo. Doon. Layo lang narating namin. So, baka maabutan kami ng dilim. Pababa. So, let's see. Okay, pababa na kami. Pauwi na kami. Ayun yung ibababain namin. Ayun si Daddy. Ayun si Grandpa. Si Grandpa, si Nani, tsaka si Daddy. Ayun, bababa kami. Papaganon. So, let's see. Mas mahirap umakyat kaysa bumaba. Ito mas maganda pababa. So, let's start hiking. Bye everyone. Happy adventure.